I didn't show Sara the darkness, Laurel. It was already inside of her when we met.
Tell them that you couldn't find me. Tell them I ran.
I won't lie for you.
Fine. Don't tell them anything. You don't know about me, about who I am and who I've become. I'm not a hero. I am the furthest thing from it. I am Tahir al-Safer. That was my new name. Because the woman that I was, the girl that I was gone. Prisoners do not speak. What I am is irredeemable.
When I found her alone, starving and terrified, I protected her. I took Sara into my heart and I loved her with all my soul.
Something's on my mind, always in my headspace. But I know someday I'll make it out.
There were things that I did things that I had to do. Things that there's no forgiveness for. There's only one freedom. Let me grant you yours. I'm a murderer. I wanted to kill Roy. That's what I do. That's who I am. I spent 6 years in the darkness. And I looked into the eyes of the devil. And I gave him my soul. Fight the unthinkable. You have to be willing to do the unthinkable.